Hi, in this video, we will be introducing the Excel sum formulas sum, SumIf, and SumIfs. They allow us to add the numbers within a given cell range. Let's start with sum. It is one of Excel's basic formulas. Sum allows Excel users to add the numbers within a given cell range. It's simple as that. In the table on the left, we have data regarding last year's performance of a few football teams. In order to sum the total number of games played by the teams, we'll type plus sum, select the range from E4 to E12, close the parentheses, and Excel will calculate the number of games played. The teams played a total of 330 games. What if we have to add only the cells within a range which satisfy a criterion? The SumIf function allows us to do that. In our example with football teams, let's say that we would like to sum the number of games played by Italian teams. We have to type SumIf. Okay, now the formula has 3 arguments, as you can see here in the formula bar. First, we need to introduce the range of cells where Excel will look in order to find the criteria. I'll select the cells from C4 to C12, as this is where the country of origin stands in the table. Then, we'll select our criteria. Our criterion will be Italy, and I have it here in C18. I'll select it. Excel will go and find the cells within the range from C4 to C12 Italy is written in. Once it does, the program will be ready to add together the cells which we required to be summed when the criterion is satisfied. Let's sum the number of games played by selecting as a third argument the cells within the range E4 to E12. Now that the function is complete, we can close the brackets. The answer we obtain is that Italian teams played 114 games in total. Things become really interesting with the SumIfs formula. It is a really powerful tool. Basically, the SumIfs function is a lot like SumIf, although it is able to work with more than one condition. Let's say that we would like to find out how many points English teams which participated in the Champions League earned. Our first condition is England, and the second one is yes under Champions League presences. When working with SumIfs, it is important to keep in mind which are the conditions that need to be applied and where these conditions are contained. Let's type the formula. Please note that unlike SumIf, SumIfs starts with the sum range, the cells to be summed. We will select the whole range of points earned, starting from F4 and going to F12. Afterwards, we need to select the range for the first condition, country, and then pick the first condition as we have it in C16, England. Then we can continue with the selection of the range of the second condition, Champions League, and our criterion will be yes, as in D16. The result from the calculations is that English teams in our table, which played in the Champions League, earned an aggregate of 143 points. These are 3 very useful Excel functions. You will find rather interesting and practical examples for the application of sum formulas in the case studies, which we will see later in this course. Thank you for watching.